Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to install Python in our Ubuntu system. So let's start our lecture. First, I will open new terminal on my desktop and then run command sudo apt update. This command get the latest versions list so our system knows which version is installed for application. Then I will run the command sudo apt install python 3.1. It's already installed in my system, so you can install it by this command. Then we can check our Python version by python version. This will list the version which is installed in our Ubuntu system. So you can also create a desktop shortcut for it. For create desktop shortcut, there you can run this command for create desktop shortcut file, and then this file I will paste my code. This is for create desktop shortcut app, and then I will save it, then exit. Now I will give permission to this file which I have created for desktop shortcut. This one, at this path I have created it. There is an icon for the desktop application. You can open it through terminal by clicking